We're putting the Ford Ranger through yet another series of brutal trials, going even further to prove that Ranger is simply built Ford tough. Off-road and uphill, Ranger is taking it all on, conquering mixed terrains and inclines, including a 45-degree climb. Launching up this steep grade with 2,000 kilos of mass hooked up is not a test every truck can take. And backwards? Only Ranger has hill launch assist in reverse, helping to keep the truck from rolling down the incline as it starts driving. The electronic locking rear differential splits power 50-50, forcing both wheels to turn in unison. This means less wasted wheel spin and better maintenance of momentum. Ranger gains maximum traction and drive by locking the back axle and sending out equal torque to both wheels. Time to raise the stakes and the incline. The ultimate vertical challenge, a 45-degree ascent at max payload. Ranger's powertrain boasts a powerful transmission that's actually designed for a much larger truck. The force generated here is like pulling up a second vertically hanging Ranger. Ranger's exceptionally low first gear ratio of 4.17 to 1 delivers more torque at the wheels for climbing or towing. But to go vertical, it takes more than toughness. It takes smart design. Ranger's oil pickup system is specially designed to distribute oil optimally, meaning Ranger doesn't lose oil pressure, even on this extreme grade at max payload. Through the mud and up the mountain, Ranger delivers a powerful performance. Because Ranger is built Ford tough.